Boy, it is fascinating how history does repeat itself. You hear that often, but time and time again it happens.
That's a prime example right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, let's get to the weather. It's beautiful outside today. Yesterday at this time, it was gloomy, a little rainy. It was slowing down a bit, but it was still looking a lot different than what it is right now. All right, so blue sky, wonderful evening. Temperatures in the lower 60s. I believe we were in about the lower 50s yesterday, right around this hour. It did warm up to about 55 degrees today. I think we'll warm up to about 64. So we'll keep just a couple clouds around Portland. Temperatures cooling down to about 55 degrees by 10 p.m. Notice that we still have some cloud coverage up to the north of us, but that's been slowly dissipating for the last couple of hours. Clear conditions off towards central Oregon and along the Oregon coast as well. It took some time for areas like Astoria and Seaside to finally start seeing some blue sky, but if you were anywhere south of that, it was looking pretty good for most of the day. FUTURECAST right here is going to take you through the next couple of days. Really not anticipating any sort of rain till maybe Tuesday night for some locations along the Oregon coast, but likely most of us staying dry. So I'll take you through the overnight hours here. Here's Monday morning for tomorrow. And a pretty gentle breeze. We may have some cloud coverage towards the northwest there, but I would expect a nice blue sky for most of us. And by the time we get into the afternoon, I would count it to be a nice sunny sky for just about all of us. Here's Tuesday as we start to approach about midday. It's trying to fire up maybe a couple light rain showers there along the Oregon coast, some clouds here in the valley. Tomorrow it might end up being a little cloudy. Tuesday rather, but it's going to take a little bit of time, and then I think on Wednesday that's when things really start to get a little wet and a little overcast. I'm going to take you to Wednesday's system. Now I was mentioning yesterday that this will probably feel very similar to what we had yesterday, but with a little more moisture. And as the forecast models continue to bring in some more information, it does look like Wednesday may be a little more wet than what we had experienced for our Saturday. That's great because we need as much moisture as we can get. You can see that the wind is fairly strong off to the south. So we'll have to watch for some moments where we have a rain shadow going on, but I think that it should be saturated enough for us to see a good amount of moisture here in the valley. The wettest part of the day will likely be in the afternoon and evening hours. Thursday comes along and we kind of see things slowly depart and dry up just a bit. And by Friday, I expect a nice day with clouds starting to fill up from the south. Friday will likely be maybe the warmest day that we see post Monday. So let's talk about rain totals because I think we're going to have some decent moisture for some locations. Now, here's about midday, and it's already pushing us to almost 2/10 of an inch here in Portland. Again, this is just one weather model. I think it's overplaying it slightly, but it does look like we're going to have some decent rain, especially south of Portland. Watch what happens in the late afternoon, evening hours. We really start to see those numbers soar, and we may push to about a ½ an inch by the time we wrap up Wednesday, which so far our wettest day is not even 1/10 of an inch. So that will put us way above, and that will help us significantly as far as our April rain total goes, because we're only at about 1/4 of an inch, which is almost 1.5 inches below where we should be. So Wednesday is going to be a rainy day, count on that. Also maybe a little breezy, temperatures probably in the mid to upper 50s. We'll call it 58 for now. 70 I have for tomorrow, and then we have temperatures right around the 60s for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The biggest change in the forecast besides how much rain we're going to see on Wednesday, Wayne, is going to be maybe a chance for some showers heading into next weekend.
All right, another dry one.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Joseph.